So right from the get-go, you guys are probably thinking the same thing I am. How in the world does a Kennedy half dollar get struck on something other than its intended planchet? And we all know that is the 40% silver clad planchet that is so normally used to produce 1970s Kennedy half dollars. So when one comes across the auction block, and you know it's a weird oddity, first of all, but this coin was struck on an aluminum planchet. Okay, it's not just any aluminum planchet either. This was a previously struck, okay, keep this in mind, Missouri Shell Oil gas station token. Okay, now if that doesn't scream like a backdoor job, I don't know what does. But let's talk a little bit about this auction, because this thing sold about a little over a week ago on eBay. Okay, of course, you know, the big man on campus that deals with a lot of these weird errors, Sullivan Numismatics, who by the way is freaking fantastic in terms of the type of pieces that he sells. I mean, he sells some of the legit errors, and then you have things like these, which should be like a fairy tale in my estimation. But the coin sold for $9,500, almost $10,000. To a lot of people, that's a car, for crying out loud. So I don't know how something like this even makes its way out. Okay, it was graded PCGS Proof 62, which leads me to believe, because it's not like a Proof 65, which, you know, most proof coins would grade out, you know, straight from the mint. This thing has passed through several hands, so I'm pretty sure that this is a type of coin that stayed pretty much in the deeper recesses of the underground market, and it's crazy. But anyways, this is a sale that I've been wanting to report. Didn't know really how to execute it or talk about it, but I just went ahead and did it. You know, errors are out there to be found. Okay, a lot of them are worth money, and some of them are worth very little money. Okay, almost a negligible amount of money. But you know, there are coins that are discoverable out there. Okay, one of my favorites is a Kennedy half dollar struck on a you know, like a nickel planchet or a quarter planchet, so the coin would look actually a lot smaller with, you know, just a portion of the devices on there. Those sell really well. But man, this one right here, okay, it trumps all. And I can't figure out for the life of me how this one escaped. But anyways, I don't know. This is your interesting sale of the week. Again, it's a 1970s Kennedy half dollar struck on a Missouri Shell Oil gas station token that is crafted out of aluminum. It weighs 1.6 grams, so the thing is super lightweight. But yeah, there you go. Sold for $9,500. That is that's a lot of guava fruit. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick, witty little video on this one. Again, if you like the content, go ahead and hit like and subscribe below, and you know, hit the bell for instant notifications. A little tongue-tied tonight. You'll gain access to all the newest videos as I upload them. They are a lot of fun. It's like the town hall meeting. You just have to go and check and see what's going on. But in any event, appreciate your guys' time. Again, thank you again for all of the support that you've given me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. You guys take care.